Hello everyone. Once you decided to start your own blog, your next think about which platform you want to use to create your blog. There are a lot of best online platforms available to create our blogs. The two most popular platforms are WordPress and Blogger. In this video, we will see about the difference between WordPress and Blogger, why I am suggest you to use WordPress. The first difference between WordPress and Blogger is easy of use. The purpose is simple. We want to do a job, but the main functionalities and the way of working must be an easy thing. Then only we consider about doing the job, right? If we create our blog, the process must be very easy. Very simple to use. That's called user-friendly tool. In WordPress, you don't need to know about any coding. You can create your blog in less than 30 minutes. You don't need any coding. You don't need any technical skills or coding skills to create your own blog in WordPress. The other hand, Blogger.com. Blogger is a product from Google. It's a Google product. It's very simple. You just need a Google account to create your own blog. That's all. Very simple. But we need to consider what the other advantages and disadvantages by using WordPress or Blogger. There is a difference between WordPress and Blogger in the easy of use point of view. WordPress is very simple to use. You don't need any coding skills. But in Blogger, you need just some little bit HTML coding. Of course, Blogger also very simple, but you need, compared to WordPress, in Blogger you need some little bit HTML knowledge. The second difference is ownership. Who owns your blog? You created a blog. Who is the owner? This is the difference between WordPress and Blogger. If you use WordPress, you are the owner of all your data. Whatever you posted on your blog, you are the owner. You can take the backup and you can change the hosting account anywhere. You are the owner. You can do anything from your data. But in Blogger, Google is the owner. Google provides you everything to create a blog. But it's not owned by you. This is the difference. You must stand on the Blogger platform only. You can't move anywhere. But in WordPress, you can change the hosting account to, if you not feel good, you change the hosting company. or you can convert your data, anything. You can do anything on your data in WordPress. So you are the owner. This is the biggest difference between WordPress and Blogger. The third difference I want to say that's control and flexibility. Control and flexibility. Who controls your blog? You can control your blog? In WordPress that's possible, but in Blogger that's not possible. I already told, in WordPress you can move your blog to new host, all controlled with you. But in Blogger you can't move your blog anywhere. This is the important difference between WordPress and Blogger. WordPress is a open source. It's a open source. Anyone can use. You can add lot of plugins for designs. You can use lot of themes available in WordPress. WordPress is a open source. You can create in WordPress online store, portfolio, pop-ups, anything you want you can create in WordPress. But in Blogger, the customizations and designs are limited. Blogger is a simple blogging tool. It's not give you more features. It's not give you more advantages compared to WordPress. In WordPress you can do anything. You can sell your product, you create your resume, or you can showcase your portfolio. Anything you can do in WordPress. In Blogger is a simple blogging tool. You can add some extra features by using gadgets. In WordPress we calling it plugins. In Blogger we calling it gadgets. If you want a very simple blog, so Blogger is enough. But if you want to make it established and make it more popular blog, I suggest you to use WordPress. There are very good differences between these platforms. Those differences we are seeing in this video. The fourth difference I want to say, that's appearance and design options. Blog appearance is very important factor. Our blog design is very important because those designs bring the new visitors and stay them long time in our blogs. Blog designs are important to bring back the returning visitors, right? In WordPress, there are thousands of themes available. Design templates is called themes. In WordPress, thousands of free and premium themes available for WordPress blogs. You can use it through WordPress.org directory, some external resources like ThemeForest or some individual developers developing WordPress themes, so you can use them. There are a lot of design options, theme options available for WordPress blogs. But in Blogger, limited set of templates only available. However, there is a third-party developers creating a Blogger templates. but compared to WordPress, their counts are very less. This is the main difference between WordPress and Blogger. The fifth difference, the important difference between using WordPress and Blogger is security purposes. Security. What's security? WordPress gives you more options to protect your data, website pages. You can use very excellent plugins to save your website data and pages from hackers and malware. WordPress is hosted in somewhere. It's not a self-hosting product. We need a hosting account to run our own blog, right? We can add the security features through the plugins in WordPress. The other side, Blogger, we don't care about this feature because Blogger is a Google product, so no need to worry about anything. Loading speed and hacking issues, we don't need about it. But in WordPress, it's not comes within a package. However, that's a open source, it's a free, but it's not the comes within the package. We can add more extra features to protect our store, protect our blog. These are the 5 important differences between WordPress and Blogger. I suggest you to use WordPress because lot of advantages you can experience within WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. See you on next video. Bye.